All right, so moving on to the next, which is our print layout. We're going to click right up here. Move this over the side. All right, so up here we have a couple different options. You'll see if you click right up here, you'll have a bunch of different photo strips available for you that are already preloaded for you, so you can use any of the ones that you want. You could also make a brand new one if you wanted to. So what we're gonna do is, I think you guys already all have something like this, which is the just like the basic one, or you could even do the 2x6 one. So you can click on 2x6. Whatever's back there, you can click on it, and then you see on the right hand side that you have like a layers tab. You're going to hit delete, click on this, hit delete, and then you can freely move these around, whether it's up, down, left, or right. Okay, so now that I'm ready to upload my design, I'm going to click right here on image. I'm going to scroll down and find my design. Um, this is actually her design that she just approved. So I will move this over to the left, right on the corner. And then I just want to show you if you move this up, this is one thing that I like to do. So my x-axis, which is like math all over again, you want to put that at 0 and then your width 600, okay? Now that we're done with that, that'll align it from the top and the bottom. Now we're going to hit send backwards, which is right over here. 1, 2, 3. And now we have the option to move our our photos 1, 2, 3 around, right? So just know that you do have the freedom to do that, and you can add whatever design elements in Canva prior to, and then upload your photos 1, 2, and 3. Now that I'm done with this, I'm going to add it on the other side. So there's two ways I can do the same process by clicking on image, or I can go down here, scroll down, okay, and then you can click right here on the duplicate button. Once you do that, you're going to do the same process. Move that right over here, send backwards, 1, 2, 3. All right, and now I'm just going to align it to what I like it to looking like. And then you could see there's like a tiny white little line. So what I like to do, again, scroll up, and right here, I'm going to change this to 0. Make sure this is 1800. And so now that's where the line is going to cut. So that's exactly the right. So this is going to be at 0, just a little reminder. This one's at 0. This one is going to be at 0. Oh, so this is the reason why 601, 600 is what we want this to be at. There we go. So that white little line will be gone. Yeah, that looks better. So just um, now that we're set with that, this is what we're going to be printing. We are going to be printing a 4x6, and it is going to be cut, so we're going to have to change that in our printer settings later. So leave this as paper size 4x6. I am going to uncheck this print to secondary printer because we are using one printer and one template. Okay, so we're gonna just leave it just like that. And now that we're done, if we wanted to, we can come here and label this as 2x6. If this is a template that you're going to be using a lot, 3 photos. You could do something like that. And the cool thing is, like, as long as you keep saving them there, it'll just keep racking up, and then you just are responsible for just changing these. So you could see how fast it's going to be when you just duplicate events and all you're doing is changing these designs, your main screen, and you're done.